Correct. Those 11 errors by San Sebastian came in the end game.
Yes.
Let's take a look at our Manila stat line.
Well, the Philippine Army Snatchers was able to put out 11 attack points as against the... Look at the output of San Sebastian. 16 big points for them, but that wasn't enough even to win that set because of the 11 errors that was, again, as you've said,
Karamihan dun sa
the latter portion, yung pinaka-worst time that it could have come.
The Manila stat line brought to us by Manila, the official drinking water provider of the Shakey's V-League. Set number 2, San Sebastian had better forget that. Yan ang slumber volleyball ang ginawa ni Salak at sa Mayet Carolino.
Rachel Landaki is a big part of that win in the first set. 7 points in that first set. Balsa with 3. On the other side, it's Foley with 8 and Ford with 4.
Right. Estilo. Mayet Carolino. Tina Salak. Quick set for Mary Jean Balsa.
And you can feel that yung Philippine Army is just playing relaxed, no?
Right.
Not even in the mode when they were down.
Parang ganda nung yung jumper. It's not a jumper, it's a gambit na ginawa doon ng kanilang coach, itong si Rico de Guzman. Inserting Urs Iratay.
Yes.
And leaving Tina Salak on the floor.
And Tina Salak responding to the situation, gave us an attack point.
Reyes on the stretch. Here comes Dakis. Wait. Double touch on the set.
Violation.
Quick eyes by Philip Season there.
Ninet pa na nga lang ni King Pals.
Huli pa rin.
Kumita na eh.
If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Jennifer Manzano has been quiet in this game. No points yet. Dakis has just been working so hard here.
And it's not intimidated at all with Lauren Ford.
Naalala ko may kaibigan ako nanood dito ng FEU pa si Dakis yung time na yun. Tapos nakita niya sa bench. Kasi libero yung nakapasok. Nung pinasok ulit si Dakis, naglaro. Sabi, akala ko display lang.
Yes, stand there.
Diba?
Oh, that's true.
Nag-Dakis. Ang ganda-ganda.
Combination of...
And then, nakalagay yung nakaupo sa bench.
beauty and skills.
Sabi niya, akala ko display lang. Ang galing pala.
Napaka.
Right. And here is Mayet. Mayet again. De Leon running attack forward. Let's try to tap it over. Dakis. Position. And the reward is Ruby De Leon sends it back to her face.
The Philippine Army now 5 attack points. San Sebastian with 10. That was in the first set.
Oh, sabi ni De Leon, ganda-ganda mo. Nakakatawa pag sinasabi yun.
Miscommunication on the side of the Philippine Army.
Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League Service Ace, a rare one for San Sebastian. The last time they had that, huli rin nagsiserve, pero jump serve naman.
Sa mga tingin sa akin, hindi ko pa kasi binabayaran.
Bunag, turned back by De Leon.
Take that away.
Kinakalkula na ni Jen Reyes kung paano siya mahuhulog dun. But, that's like, parang mixed doubles yan sa tennis, Pag nare-return mo yung serve ng lalaki, yung masarap ng pakiramdam. That's exactly what the receivers or the blockers would feel if they're able to block Lauren Ford.
And a smart play there by Jen Reyes. Nakapang na sila na ibibigay kay Dakis on the open hit kasi nga, it wasn't si Jen Reyes. So, ibigay sa kabila nila. Smart move on the part of their libero. Parang may driver ng bola. May chauffeur.
Hindi mo nakikita kasi sa TV yung kaliwa kanan Okay lang yung up and down pero yung kaliwa kanan, yan sisimula sa gitna. Sisimula sa gitna, biglang kumakaliwa yung bola.
Shooter.
Oo. 7-6, San Sebastian regains the lead.
So far, Jen Reyes 6 dig points. And with only 1.
Another ace from the best server of the league. 8-6 San Sebastian with the early lead here in the second set against the Philippine Army. We send it over now to Mia Kalim.
kanina nga pre-game, pinag-uusapan nyo na itong si Rachel and Dakis ay dapat aalis papuntang Germany kaso sabi nyo, dinelay ng dinelay. Actually, hindi niya dinelay, talagang kinancel niya. Sabi niya, medyo nagalit nga talaga sa kanya yung mommy niya, pero talagang in-explain naman daw niya sa kanya na committed siya dito sa Philippine Army. Ngayon, sabi niya, ang kagandahan daw dito sa kanyang team, isa lang ang kanilang goal at meron talaga silang attitude to win. Kaya naman, sabi niya na ayaw niyang umalis at iwan lang yung Army ng ganun-ganun lang. Kaya sabi niya rin na gusto niya rin panindigan yung pagkapili sa kanya ni Coach Rico de Guzman dito sa team at gusto rin niyang sa lahat na deserving siya ng slot dito sa powerhouse na team na to, guys.
Well, you know what? She might just enlist, ha?
Napakagalit na talaga mami niya.
Mag-enlist na yan.
Well, so far, Mayen Carolino, 3 attack points. Jeng Boli with 5 digs. Ito yung sinasabi natin kay Jeng, pati depensa.
And the Mikasa NBA 300 is the new official game ball of the Shakey's V-League Season 8. Warren fans rally smart rails in the Mikasa NBA 300. If they can reserve, or they can receive the serve nitong si Ruby De Leon. Timeout, Philippine Army. Ruby De Leon has gotten 2 aces already in this set. Here's the second one of them. Oink.
Pumapa ba eh?
Pasok na pasok eh. 10-6. This time, Reyes gets a good reception. Mayet out of position that time. Salak. Mayet gets through Ford.
Looking good on the second try.
That was through Lauren Ford. 10-7.
Tama kanina si Miyaka, no, na makikita mo yung winning attitude nitong Philippine Army.
Right.
They're so confident.
Tingnan naman yung team na yan. Dati mga champion na lahat yan.
Madami nang pinagdaanan sa volleyball.
I mean, we haven't even seen Dalia Cruz in the lineup yet.
Imagine that.
Right. Balse. Sala. Bunag. Bunag across. Bustillo. Benito. Benito gets it across.
Quick to react on the situation. Bunag getting that point. So far, it's Dakis with 3 bonus points from the serve and De Leon with 3. So yun yung nakaka-neutralize kay Dakis. Itong si Ruby De Leon.
Ruby De Leon gave up trying to set that one. Here's Salak now for Basset and across. So 12-8. So far, so good for San Sebastian. Remember, they had an 8-point lead in the first set. It was 18-10 actually at one point. And then they were up 24-19 set point. And they lost the first set. Balse. Michelle. Here's De Leon. Boli, who's been quiet in this set. Michelle, blocked there by Bustillo. Salak, combination.
Perfect spot on that cross-court hit.
Now Dak is back in front.
Look at this cross-court hit by Michelle Carolino.
Nag-adjust na sila man sa ano, sa lagay na yan, ha? Alam mo, Papa, binibenta ko na itong Philippine Army sa inyo. Please, let's have a ladies volleyball team, oh.
This time, San Sebastian responding on that open hit by Jeng.
13-10. You know, San Sebastian's got support from 3 countries. And they still can't pull away from the Philippine Army. Dakis.
Hindi na talaga uwi si Dakis.
Oh.
Great save.
Here's Foley again. Delgado. Foley! Here comes the volleyball. You know what his next action was?
Pwede na. Jeng still
Nice
there.
save, Barry Pascua.
Balsa with 4 attack points, 1 block, totaling to 5 points. Tina Salak with 1 attack, 1 block, and 1 serve with 3 points.
14-10. That time, Foley denied Balsa. Denies Foley.
Exactly.
Dapat pag nandiyan si Ford, tinataas yung net, ano, men's height. Pwede ba yun?